Hello friends, today's video is about Parippu Curry. This video shows how to easily prepare Parippu Curry, one of the main curry dishes of an Onam feast. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare Parippu Curry, first take a pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of well-washed tur dal. Instead of tur dal, you can use moong dal or masoor dal. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to the dal. Add the required salt for the Parippu Curry at this time. Pour enough water to cook the dal. Also add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This is to prevent the dal from boiling over and coming out through the whistle. Now cover the cooker and cook it. Turn off the stove after 2 whistles on this cooker. Now take a small mixer jar. Add half a cup of grated coconut to it. Add 3 pieces of small onions and 3 pieces of garlic. Also add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Use the mixer to make a fine paste, adding enough water. Now take a clay pot to make the Parippu Curry. When the pot is hot, add the cooked dal. Also add the ground coconut paste. Mix it well. To get rid of the raw smell of the paste, simmer it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. At this time, take another small pan. Add 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, splutter half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, add 2 dry red chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and pour it into the curry immediately. Cover it immediately. After about 30 seconds, open it. Mix the Parippu Curry well. Pour about 2 teaspoons of ghee over it. This will give the curry a good taste. Mix it well again. Now, Parippu Curry, which is a main curry dish for an Onam feast, is ready here. This is a very easy dish to make. I hope you liked this video. If you did, remember to like, comment and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos, so try to watch them. So, a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.